What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of King Print. In today's video, I wanted to show you a simple way you can print your own stickers, so stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you a cost-effective way to print your own stickers for your brand, your business, whatever you're promoting. Now this is going to be great if you only need a few stickers and you don't want to print in the thousands. What I have here is just your basic Office Depot sticker paper. Now this paper is some paper I had left over from a job I previously did. You can find some better stuff on Amazon and it's all going to be in your preference. I will leave a link in the description for the paper, but for now we're going to be using this. Now you might be thinking, all right, I got all the info I needed. Let me click off. But stay to the end. There's going to be another step that I'm going to add to this paper. So let's get started. So what I have here is the image I'm going to use. So what you can do if you have or you want to print multiple images, I just think this one here, you can actually gang them on one sheet of paper. So you can bring that over here and make this a little bit smaller and double these up here, or you can make them bigger and just do 2 per sheet. But this is the size I need right now, so I'm going to get this one printed out. Now one thing I want to mention here is I added a border to this. This black border, this will actually be cut out and I'll show you that in a minute. So there's the sticker there. That came out really nice. Now we can leave this sticker as is and go ahead and cut this out, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this Avery self-adhesive laminate. Now this is gonna weatherproof the sticker. There are sticker sheets, sticker paper that say that they're weatherproof, but from my experience, they don't really work all that well. So there's a sheet there. And another thing to consider when you're printing stickers, if you really want them weatherproof and UV proof, is gonna be the ink you use. Most printers use a dye-based ink, and that ink doesn't really work that well. If you're going to use this for a car decal, what happens is that UV light from the sun is so powerful that it starts to actually fade the ink really quick. The second upgrade to use is a pigment-based ink. So pigment ink is going to last a little bit longer. And then from there is your solvent-based ink. But solvent-based inks are usually going to be for your professional high production printers. So just take that into consideration. So right there, let's see if you can tell the difference between the piece with the laminate sheet and without the laminate sheet. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. And like I said before, this black border, I'm taking all that out. And if you wanted to take it a little step further, if you have a little Cricut, you can use that to cut this out so you don't have to do it manually if you start doing higher production prints. But this is perfect if you just need a few stickers for a project you're working on and you don't want to have to call the sign company. You can do this yourself. So there it is, a cool little sticker. Took almost no time. Super cheap, full color, nice. Again guys, thanks for watching. I will leave a link in the description for higher quality sticker paper, so be sure and check that out. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check you on the next one.